Hi there, I'm Annie, and I wanted to talk about informal mindfulness practice. How to practice with everyday activities such as doing the dishes. So why would we want to practice mindfulness while doing the dishes? Well, for one thing is when we're stressed out or cranky or just not feeling great about ourselves and our lives. When we have something that we can turn our attention to, we can come back to our body, come back to our breath, and really start to settle and start to feel more grounded. And even something like doing the dishes can be a chance where we can find that ground. As Thich Nhat Hanh will say, when you're doing the dishes, do the dishes. When we need it, the practice of washing the dishes can really be helpful. So, for example, we have a sink of dirty dishes. Rather than feeling like, oh, so stressful, we can consider, well, how can I use this as part of my practice? So turning on the water, for example, we can remember where this water comes from. It comes from the well here. It comes from the well in our backyard and from the mountain behind us. So we can just remember that as we're washing our hands, maybe getting ready to do the dishes. You can feel the warm water, especially on a cold day. It feels great. Just really enjoying that. And then we can pick up a dish and we can look at the dish. Maybe we turn off the water so we don't waste the water, and we can look at the dish and just think, wow, this is a beautiful dish. The color is beautiful. It's nice and soft in our hands. And we can pick up our soapy sponge and just feel the connection between the sponge and the plate. But just imagine bathing a baby, how we might gently wash a baby. And we do the same with the dish. And follow our breathing in, I know I'm breathing in. Breathing out, I know I'm breathing out. Breathing in, I turn on the water. And I hear the water landing on the dish, and I feel the water as it cascades over the dish in my hands, and I feel how clean the dish is now. Turn off the water, take a breath, and I feel the solidness of this plate in my hands, and I put it in the drying rack. And I feel more grounded. I feel more present because I really felt the water in the dish and I really took my time. And I can do the same with everything that's in here. The dirty almond butter knife. Squeeze the sponge and really practice feeling the knife as I'm washing it. Again, being aware that I'm turning on the water to rinse. And then taking the knife, putting it in the drying rack, and keep going with the dishes and the practice. Thanks for watching.